Hello there, welcome to Jolly Kitchen Thai cooking channel. My name is Kiet, and this week's episode I will show you how Southern Thai dry curry is made. First, we are going to learn how to make the chili paste. You are going to need fresh ingredients such as chili, dry chili, kaffir lime fruit, green pepper, white pepper, red onion, and I will also make the color pops by adding fresh turmeric and also aromatic from the garlic. Okay, starting with the kaffir lime fruit. The parts we are going to need is the green skin. Make sure you do not cut too deep into the white layer because it gives a bitter taste. Only green skin that is full of natural oil which is make it aromatic. Next is to get the turmeric cut into the small chunks just like this. This southern dish is named Klau Kling, which literally means rolling on the hot pan. It's quite punchy and slow burn, which has got a lot of heat from chili and the pepper. Apart from the dry chili, I will also add some fresh chili as well. Then a few cloves of garlic and a small cut of the red onion. Cut and put into the small bowl and then toss it on the side just for now. Next ingredient is my homegrown fresh lemongrass, cut from a pot. I will also make a thin slice and split into two parts. First part will go into making the paste, and the other goes into the curry as a garnish. A lot of Thai curry bases incorporate a variety of the fresh herbs. The next herb is to be prepared is the fresh kaffir lime leaf. Just make a thin slice. This is going to add as a garnish. Alright, I believe we have prepared everything for making the paste. Today I'll choose to use the traditional tool. It's a mortar and pestle to make a paste. You may also use a blender if you wish. I will start off with the dry or hard ingredients to break down first. Then I'll work my way down to an easier one. This way is to ensure that I get the smooth paste result. It requires a bit of force and arm workout, but you will enjoy the learning in the process. To make it easier to pound, I also recommend add a pinch of salt as well. Okay, the next step is the actual cooking part. We are going to use medium to high heat. I use non-stick saucepan here. Once the temperature is right, add minced pork. I will use a spatula to break up the pork. Keep the heat on and make sure it gets evenly heated. When the pork is about 80% cooked, add chili paste, then mix until all well combined. The caution here is that the dish is rather spicy than the usual compared to my other dishes I have shown you before. And if you have the high tolerance of chili, you can go a daredevil with this one. But if your tolerance to chili is not that good, it would be a good idea to add only a small portion. To season the dish, add the fish sauce and additional shrimp paste for an extra fragrance. You may add a small palm sugar to balance the flavor. This southern dish has such a strong, bold flavors of saltiness and spicy. The next ingredient to add is the green pepper. I enjoy the slow burn from eating this. Once the curry dries up a little bit, turn off the heat and then add kaffir lime leaves and fresh lemongrass. Quickly to get the color spread out. Then it's done. This dish is best served with steamed jasmine rice, with accompaniments of seasonal vegetables such as cucumber, sugarloaf, Thai eggplant for example. I have plenty of fresh betel leaves in my garden, so I will add them to my serving too. Alright, this is it. Southern Thai style dried curry. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and give it a thumb up. Spread the love and thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Have fun with your cooking. Bye!